Good day everyone, welcome to yet another test. Today we have KAESER SX4T. It's a 3 kilowatt screw air compressor with integrated air dryer ABT4. The compressor is connected to 150 liters air receiver. It's 10 or 11 bars, I think. It's 8 bars screw compressor, sorry. So it's a 3 kilowatts, around 400 liters per minute. This machine is regularly maintained and ready to use. I will start the compressor. It's around 2.7 bars in the system. This compressor is low on hours. It's just below 3,000 hours, so it's just like brand new. I will start the compressor now and see how it builds pressure up to 8 bars. This is very good, ready to use, well-serviced compressor. The integrated air dryer, right there, works pretty well. This is a hose connection, and this one is the dryer drain connection. You see it drains some unwanted condensate from the air system. Let's see the Sigma Control 2, 5.6 bars. It's 2,143 hours under load, and maintenance is around 300 hours. The compressor is serviced in Germany by this company. It's 6.4 bars on 150 liters air receiver. Remember, this is a 3 kilowatt screw air compressor. Let's see the side of the electric equipment. This is Sigma Control 2. This is IL1 module. Everything looks well connected. See there. .5 bars. This machine runs really good and delivers the capacity defined by factory. That's it. That's 8 bars from this machine. I shut that down, the compressor. It's 7.9 bars. Let's check the air receiver. It's nearly 8 bars, so it's 7.9. The air dryer looks pretty well, works perfectly. Don't miss this item. This is a great piece of machinery built in 2016. Thank you and good luck on your bits.